So in this video, we're gonna make a reference to or teach function overriding. It's a very simple concept. It says the function definitions in child classes override definitions with the same name in parent classes. So we're gonna test it out right here. So right here, we're gonna delete everything we have here. Good. And let's compare these two classes. This is books. Books has some functions called set title and set price, get title and get price, and novels has a function called set publisher and another one called get publisher. So let us recreate a set price or get price, get title. Let's do get title. So imagine that there is a function with the same name in the child class. You get what I'm saying? That's what we're witnessing now. This function exists in the parent class, and it's a function again with the same name in the child class. So we're gonna try and change what is inside here and see what will happen. Oops. Let's change what is inside here and say this is the child class gets title function. So instead of returning the title, we're trying to echo this. Alright, so let's see. We instantiate novels as before. We can just say new book equal to new novels. We'll pass in the name of the new book, could be whatever book title, and then we'll pass in the amount. And in case you've forgotten why we're doing this because in the parent class there's a constructor that mandates us to add these two parameters whenever we're invoking the parent class. Alright, so we're here, we've done it normally, and then we're trying to gain access to the get title. Let's see which one will print, whether it will actually print the title or print this. So we do new book get title. Alright, so let's go and see what will happen. Alright, see, it says this is the child class get title function. You see, because it has the same name in novels and in books, it is using the one in novels. So once a function has the same name in both classes, it will choose the one that is in the child class. Alright, so this one overrides the other one. That's just what function overriding is. So when they ask you what it is in OOP, you already know what it is.